Namaskar. People generally say when I tell them that they should do some exercises, some asanas in the morning, they say no, we don't have time to do any of these things during the day. They have no time for yoga. But today I'm going to give you an asana series which will take only 5 minutes of your day. These asanas are very simple, yet they would exercise all the systems of your body. Let us see the series first. First, Kalasana. Stand on the mat with 1 foot distance between your feet. Now gently raise both your hands up and above the head and simultaneously raise the heel to come on your toes. Hold it for 6 counts and slowly come back to the starting position. Kalasana allows you to stretch your spine in an upward position, creating space between the vertebrae to have a fresh flow of blood and neurological current. Second, Konasana variation. Stand with feet together, raise both the hands above your head and join the palms. Tighten the core and gently bend to the left. Only upward body will bend and the pelvic and legs would be firm on the floor, while the pelvic will remain in line with thighs. Hold it for 6 counts and slowly come back. Now bend on the right side. The sideward bending will expand your lungs to give you the area to breathe. You will breathe fullest and would increase the lung capacity. Third, Yoga Mudra. This is not only a forward bending asana, but it is highly meditative. Sit on the mat by crossing your legs. Hold the wrist of a right hand with the left palm. Inhale deeply and stretch your shoulders backward. Exhale completely and bend forward. If possible, touch the crown of your head to the floor. Hold it for 6 counts and slowly come back. This asana will improve the muscle tone and venous flow of the spinal column. Fourth, Shalabhasana. It is chin stand, that is an excellent backward bending asana. Lie on the stomach with hands on the side, palm facing downwards. Now gently lift both the legs up straight. Lift it as far as you can, but do not strain. For beginners, lift 1 leg at a time. Hold it for 6 counts and gently release it. Fifth, Hastpada Angustasana, lying variation. Lie down on your back and relax your muscles. Now lift your right leg straight up and try to hold the big toe. Now gently twist to the left and turn your neck to the right. Hold it for 6 counts and relax. Now repeat by raising your left leg up and twisting it on the right side. That twisting will provide a great massage to all your internal organs. It would improve blood circulation too. Practice this quick 5-minute series of asanas every morning and have a refreshing start to the day. If you have time, repeat this whole series 3 times and have a very happy, cheerful and fit body, mind. You would be feeling very joyful and happy and very energetic. So, do it and benefit from it. Namaskar.